Go.
Right foot 45 degrees, hands up, step out, brush knee, twist up, feet together, hands up, step out, brush knee, twist up, hands up, feet together, step out, brush knee, twist up, hands up, feet together, step out, brush knee, twist up, hands up, feet together, step out, brush knee, twist up, hands up, feet together, step out, brush knee, twist up, hands up, feet together, step out, brush knee, twist up, hands up, feet together, step out, brush knee, one more, twist up, hands up, feet together, step out, brush knee. Now for monkeys, rock back on your right leg, fist under elbow. Begin with your right hand, hands up, step back, twist on the balls of your feet. Left hand continues moving, hands up, feet together, step back, twist, twist. Right hand keeps moving, hands up, feet together, step back. Left hand up, feet together, step back, twist, twist. Right hand up, feet together, step back, twist, twist. Left hand up, feet together, step back, twist, twist. Two more. Hands up, feet together, step back, twist, twist. And our very last one. Hands up, feet together, step back, twist, twist, and stop.